发言人你好，环球时报环球网记者提问：12月10日，欧盟驻华代
Global Times, the delegation of the EU to China yesterday issued a statement on the International Human Rights Day, expressing concerns over the human rights situation in China and indicating that human rights violations exist in China's Xinjiang, Xizang, and Hong Kong, was China's comment. The statement issued by the EU delegation to China represents a mischaracterization of facts, a deliberate vilification of China's human rights situation with outrageous lies and disinformation, a gross interference in China's internal affairs and judicial sovereignty, and a serious violation of international law and basic norms in international relations. China strongly deplores and firmly opposes that and has made serious démarches to the EU. The Chinese government attaches great importance to promoting and protecting human rights, and has found the path of human rights development that reflects the trend of the times and fits our national realities. China has made historic progress in human rights and in advancing socialist democracy and the rule of law. It is a simple fact that anyone without bias can see. The affairs related to Xinjiang, Xizang, and Hong Kong are China's internal affairs that brook no external interference. China's Xinjiang and Xizang enjoy social stability, economic growth, ethnic solidarity, and better livelihood for the people. The practice of one China, one country, two systems in Hong Kong is a successful story recognized by all. The people of Hong Kong enjoy extensive rights and freedom in accordance with the law. China's constitution fully protects freedom of speech and freedom of religious belief. China is a country under the rule of law where everyone is equal before the law. Human rights should not be taken as an excuse to escape legal punishment. Let me stress that human rights situation in the EU has deteriorated in recent years, including racial discrimination, infringement on rights of refugees and immigrants, restrictions on freedom of speech, tolerance to religious hatred, judicial unfairness, and violence against women. The EU turned a blind eye to its own problems while making irresponsible accusations against others. However, the world is not blind to the hypocrisy and double standard. The EU is not in the position to lecture others on human rights, still less picture itself as the human rights defender. China strongly urges the EU to take a harder look at itself, respect basic facts, view China's achievements on human rights in an objective manner, discard megaphone diplomacy, and stop interfering in other countries' internal affairs under the pretext of human rights.